Hi, today we're looking at a quite rare Galaxy Invader 10,000. Now, there's a quite common, or a more common version, which is the Galaxy Invader 1000. But apparently this has more player lines. You've got sort of 5 vertical lines on the 10,000, and the 1000 only has 3. So the 10,000 is actually supposed to be a much more playable game than the 1000. I purchased this off eBay for spares or repair, described as dead, and a loose power switch, which it does seem very loose. So I don't suppose it'll actually do anything when we put batteries in, but we shall give it a go. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Let's see how it comes apart then. Right. Oh, there's actually a bit of damage on the corner here as well, which looks like it's been previously repaired, because I can see some remains of glue there. It looks like there's some parts of the switch missing. Because I would think there should be some metal slides or something in there that bridge across these contacts. But unfortunately, it doesn't look like they're here. So I think we're going to have to see if we can get a replacement switch for this. It's also got Invader 3 written on the circuit board here. I think I'll probably have to pull the circuit board out just to have a look. Looks like it's held in with a screw here and a screw there. And it looks like there's been a screw here, but that's already been removed. So it looks like somebody's been in here before. And there's also a wire off. Oh look, I've just noticed here as well, somebody has conveniently marked B for blue and W for white. So yeah, somebody definitely has been in here before. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh dear. What have we here? Oh, what a mess in here. Right. Well, I can see broken tracks. I can see a lot of bad soldering where somebody's attempted to try and repair the. I'll try and go over some dry joints. Obviously, that goes to the piezo buzzer here, which has been pulled off. Yeah, this looks a bit interesting. where do I start with this then? Alright, I think we're going to have to apply some flux on here and try and tidy up some of these joints to see exactly what's going on. I see there's broken tracks and all sorts here. I'm going to put some flux on this lot. Nice. I'll give that a bit of a clean up and see how that looks like. It looks like we've got 2 pins bridged there. Well, that looks a lot tidier than what it did. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. There's a bit of a whole mess going on here. And the same here as well. That top chip looks okay now. These don't look too bad. I think I'll take some of the solder off these ones because they look a bit of a mess. Looks like there's a pull-up resistor, possibly, that goes to the display there, so yeah, somebody's made a right mess of this, haven't they? Is that our old friend, the D? No, it's actually a D612, that one. Just out of curiosity, I wonder if that's blown. That actually seems okay. Right, I think I'm going to have to see if I can clean up some of this stuff around here, try and even see if we can see where the tracks went or used to be. It looks like it's been glued as well. Well, the good news is the pads that actually hold the switch in place are still intact. So I can run jumper wires from the points where these tracks go to the contacts on the switch. So I just need to see if I can get a replacement switch that's the same type and the same size, which might be a bit of an issue. There's a bit of a mess going on around here as well, where somebody's tried to obviously go over some dry joints. Well, I think we should be able to sort those ones out as well. Right then, I think what I'll have to do is see if I can order this switch. Luckily, it seems to have a part number on of code KODE SLF232P by the look of it. Right, I'll see if I can order one of those and then we'll continue from there. Right, so I managed to get a new switch after a fair bit of searching. The only problem is it's not quite as long as the original one. Now I did take this apart and try and swap the this bit over, but it's actually slightly longer than the one that's in here, and the contacts actually don't fit in the middle. So I thought, well, you know, you can still reach it when it's in place, so it should be okay. So right then, let's put it in. I've had a bit of a tidy up with some of these tracks here. There's like I say, I've redone all the connections that somebody had soldered on this chip here, and there was a couple of traces here that I've redone that were a bit untidy. So we'll put this switch in and I'll rebuild the traces around here. I've got some thin bits of wire that I'm just going to tin up, and we'll use these to repair the traces that I broke. Right, so that one seems to go to that pin there as well. I'll just grind away a little bit of this trace here. I think I may need to get a new piezo buzzer for this as well, because the wires broke off, and I've tried to solder a wire back on there but it just won't have it. I glued the part, the little support there that broke off, or was broken off as well. So I'm going to put some batteries in and we'll give it a quick test and see if it is actually doing anything. think I've seen a flicker there. Aha. Right, well, it looks like there's a couple of issues still, because I couldn't actually see it clear at the bottom there, but I can see we're shooting and it seems to be going off a couple of times as well. It seems a little bit flickery there, but I don't know whether that's normal or not. But I can't actually see the player character lit up along the bottom here. So I think there's going to be another break in one of these traces. That one's okay. Just going to get a magnifying glass and have a bit closer look. Right, I found the break on the display, and I've just resoldered a new wire just across here. And I actually found another break further up as well. I've just repaired that one, so that's a couple of breaks on the fluorescent display. I'm just going to, I've got some PCB mask, so I'm just going to get a bit and there's a few to do around the switch area. I think that'll do for that. Get the microscope out of the way. I'll get this UV light on. Apparently a bit hot air as well helps to dry it, so now we need to replace the sounder, because the sounder's not working. Right, I shall see if I've got a sounder and be back in a moment. Right, I've had a quick hunt around and I've found this, which I think should do the job. It's off an old fire alarm, I think it was, but we'll tag a couple of wires on it and we'll give it a try. Right, well, that seems to work. Didn't seem particularly loud, but that's fine. I'll get this one out of the way. I should put a bit of glue around here. Might actually sound louder when it's mounted and got something to resonate against. Right, so far so good. Right, so we'll put this back together and we'll give it a test. Right, we'll turn the lights off for this so we can see a bit better. And we shall give it a go. Well, it seems to be working alright, it's moving okay. It's firing alright. The screen looks, everything looks like it's lit up correctly, so. It's actually not a bad little game. Right then, the CGL Invader 10,000 successfully repaired. Well, if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.